Hi everybody, I got a Harbor Freight tool here I wanted to show you. It's for the ball joints on 4-wheel drives and 2-wheel drives. But I got it down at Harbor Freight. I read a lot of bad stuff on them, but I figured I'd give them a try anyway. But as you can see, it's a 4-wheel drive ball joint service kit. But you can use them on the 2-wheel drives. That's what I mainly got it for. But a lot of people on these here sets, they're made in China, but most Harbor Freight stuff is. But they say these here bend a lot. I've not had that issue with it, and I've done several ball joint removals and putting them back in. If when you're using this, you tighten them up a little bit at a time and tap on the A-frame and that with a hammer and snug it down some more and tap on it till you get the ball joint removed or put back in. I've not had a problem with them. It's well worth the money that I paid for it. I think I paid about $80, but it's been a while back, so I'm not for sure on that price. But for what it is, being made in China and Harbor Freight, I'd highly recommend them. I'd buy another one if I needed to, but at the rate I'm going with this one, it's more than paid for itself on the first job that I did. So, if you need a ball joint removal tool, and you're not going to be using it every day in a garage or something, I'd highly recommend them. And that's about all I really can say right now on them, since I ain't actually doing a job with it to show you. But comment, like my videos, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.